My name is Joy Irakoze, a proud, confident Burundian. I welcome you all to our fruitful and extravagant country, Burundi, and capital city of Bujumbura. We are gathered here today to celebrate the East Africanism within us by putting our candle on the table without outshining others. Truly, cultures are stronger when in unison, but when in segregation is as weak as a pagan soul. Let us remember, life's goal isn't life's meaning to ourselves, but life's worth to all. As when we help ourselves, we may find moments of happiness, but when we help each other, we find everlasting fulfillment. And since we are normally persuaded by the information we discover ourselves than those given to us by others, which is purely understandable because a lot is said about Burundi, and it's not until you visit Burundi yourself that you can see that it's actually peaceful and contrary to what many medias are trying to make you believe. That for me is enough to appreciate Africa Mashariki Fest for organizing the Bujumbura Peace Run. Please, as you leave this place, please take this message from my short speech. A community in unison is more powerful than a community in segregation. Once again, I welcome you all to my fruitful Burundi, and may the God that brought you to the Burundi of honey and milk bless you abundantly. Thank